Hello, it's Monica, and it is time for hashtag POSTMAS 2024. It is a collaboration with Katerina and Monica Papermona. We're going to give you 12 different Christmas cards that will go flat in the envelope, and they will be ready for the festive season. Today, we're going to create a fancy fold. For my base, I chose blue card, and I've got the panel measuring 6 inches by 12 inches. I'm going to score it at 6 all the way down, fold it and burnish. And that will be my card base for my fancy fold. If you'd like to get ready for Christmas, I really encourage you to check all the details in the description down below. Now we're going to create a white panel that measures 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 of an inch. To decorate my card, I decided to use my gingerbread Christmas collection, and this panel measures 5.5 by 5.5 of an inch. Now it will be time to assemble all those panels together. As you can see, it is super quick and simple. And as it is fancy fold, we're going to create a double gatefold card. So if you've never ever tried this one before, I really recommend you give it a go. So as you can see, it opens beautifully. Now we have to create one more panel. I'm going to use blue cardstock again, 6 by 12 inches. I'm going to score it at 2 inches, 4 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. And when these are ready, then it will be time to fold and burnish all those score lines. Super quick and simple. So as you can see, I'm going to use my scoring tool to do it. If you'd like to create your Christmas cards, I really hope you'll feel inspired. All the information is in the description down below. So this idea is from Katerina, and I left the link to her channel and also Monica Papermona. We're going to give you 12 different ideas for Christmas cards that will be easy to post because we know how expensive is the postage. So we're going to give you some ideas. Now I need a panel that measures 5 3/4 by 3 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to put it inside of my card here. So now the choice will be if you'd like to write the message, that will be perfectly fine. Or you can decorate it. And I actually did it later on in the video. So stay tuned for that. Now we're going to create the panels that will go on those 4 panels. So it is 1 3/4 by 5 3/4 of an inch. So again, it is 1 3/4 by 5 3/4 of an inch. And I need 4 of those. And to decorate it, I decided to use my gingerbread Christmas collection. And I need 4 panels measuring 1.5 by 5.5 of an inch. And again, I need 4 panels in total. So this 1.5 by 5.5 of an inch. Super quick and simple, right? So if you like fancy folds, I really hope you'll give this one a go. Now I'm going to assemble those panels here using my liquid glue because I do have time to maneuver the elements if I make a mistake. As I told you, this collaboration was a great inspiration from Katerina. And I left the link to her YouTube channel and also Monica. So for the next 11 days, we're going to give you some amazing inspiration for folded cards, but also with some very unusual styles as well. So stay tuned for that. If you'd like to take part in our challenge, all you have to do is to use that hashtag POSTMAS 2024. All the information is in the description down below. And if you like my gingerbread Christmas collection, I also left the link to Buy Me a Coffee website. And I also have something very special for you because Christmas is very soon. I created the sentiments for you in English and Polish, and these are for free on my Buy Me a Coffee website. And I left the links in the description down below. so you can easily print them and get ready with all the sentiments for your Christmas projects. So as you can see, my panels here are ready. Now I can assemble it at the front of the card. So as you can see, it opens beautifully. Now I'm going to adhere it here. And I really want to make sure I've got enough space on both the left and the right side. And if you like fancy folds, don't forget to check Katarina's and Monica's channels as well. We're going to give you some more inspiration every day, very early in the morning. So I really hope you'll stay tuned for all our inspiration. Now I'm going to create another panel for the front of the card. So I got 5 by 5 inches, and then I'm going to use some white card as well, which is 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. And the design paper is 4.5 by 4.5 of an inch. When these are ready, again, I'm going to assemble it using my liquid glue. How many Christmas cards have you created this year? Please let me know in the comments down below. Actually, at the moment, I'm starting making them. And don't forget to subscribe to our channels because we're going to have absolutely amazing inspiration for you. Here, I'm going to assemble the panel only on the left side here, because if you attach it to both of the sides, the fancy fold is not going to work and it's not going to open. So I'm going to assemble it only on that one side. When this is ready, then you can decorate it the way you want. And in my gingerbread Christmas collection, there are lots of elements to fussy cut, and I decided to use a couple of them here to decorate the front of my card. So I do have some gingerbread and also hot chocolate as well. I couldn't resist. And what do you think about the color palette here? Do you like it? Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you do feel inspired, please use that hashtag POSTMAS 2024 and take part in our challenge. Create 12 beautiful Christmas cards ready to be sent for Christmas. And actually, all the inspiration is going to be amazing. And tomorrow we're going to have a different card. So today we've got a fancy fold, and tomorrow we're going to reveal what style is it. So don't forget to check all our YouTube channels. As you can see, I'm nearly done with those elements here. In the end, I decided not to use that ribbon, but I do have the sentiments, and this one is in Polish. I decided to use that blue card as well to back it up because I really want all the elements to match beautifully. First, I'm going to use my liquid glue, and then when it's adhered properly, I'm going to use my scissors and cut the excess off. Super quick and simple. If you want, you can also use a trimmer. And my go-to at the moment is the one from Craft Stash. If you're interested in any of the tools I use in today's video, I left the links in the description down below. And I also wonder, what is your favorite color palette for Christmas? Because that will be the theme for tomorrow's project. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Katarina's and Monica Papermona, because the inspiration is going to be absolutely amazing. So my cut is nearly ready, but I decided to use a panel that will go inside, which is 5.5 by 5.5 of an inch. And then I've got 5.5 by 3.5 of an inch design paper that will go here instead of a message, because I do have plenty of space to write my message inside of my card. And I absolutely love those gingerbread hearts. I thought that would be such a good idea for Christmas card. If you agree with me, please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to assemble that white square inside of the card, and the card will be completed. As I told you, these cards are perfect to post, and that is the whole idea for this collaboration. Hashtag POSTMAS 2024. 2024. So in today's videos, we've got fancy folds. And at the end of this video, you can check the links from Monica and Katarina as well with the amazing inspiration. So today is fancy fold. Tomorrow we're going to focus on a very beautiful color scheme for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And stay tuned for more videos. Have a wonderful day. Happy crafting!